Hi there! In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to access wind and hail storm history reports in OneClick Code, powered by our integration with Canopy Weather. We all know when extreme weather hits, restoration claims surge. Wind and hail history reports give you everything you need to hit the ground running. Let's get started. On your dashboard, go to Projects and click on Create Project. Enter the address you want to work with, and once your desired address pops up, click Submit. You will now be taken to your building code details. Now scroll down and click Unlock on the Weather History section. Click on the toggle to unlock building code detail and submit. Select the property type, either residential or commercial, and the roof type. Click Submit again. Just like that, your building code report is unlocked. Now, let's check out the weather reports. First, let's look at hail. Scroll down to the Report section and click View under Hailstorm History. This generates a detailed report showing hail exposure over the past 3 years, including hail size, frequency, and elevation data, all within a 3-mile radius of the property. You can also download your report by clicking the download button at the top. It's very simple. Now let's go back to the building code dashboard so we can generate the windstorm history report. I'll follow the exact same steps, this time clicking View under the windstorm history section. You will then be redirected to the report. It gives you wind speed, storm dates, and severity data, again covering a full 3-year history tied to your selected address. Like the hail history report, you can also download the wind report. Just click on the download icon at the top of the PDF. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your free trial with OneClick Code today. See you next time!